High in the Himalayas, certain yogis in their 60s and 70s maintain the physical vitality, energy, and joint flexibility typically associated with a 25-year-old. Their practice raises a specific biological question: can a human being influence the cellular aging process by manipulating the mechanics of their breath? The baseline of human existence is fixed at approximately 21,600 breaths every single day. In modern environments, chronic psychological stress and perpetual anxiety force this rhythm to become rapid, shallow, and irregular. Breathing primarily from the upper chest keeps the body in a state of physiological panic, depleting vital energy reserves and accelerating physical decline. Ancient observations suggest a mathematical link between the speed of a creature's respiration and the length of its life. Animals with rapid, shallow breathing rates, like dogs and rabbits, have correspondingly short lifespans. By contrast, creatures that take deep, measured breaths, like elephants and giant tortoises, often live for over a century. Rapid breathing acts as a drain on prana, the vital life force, triggering the cellular markers of early aging. Beyond simple oxygen intake, prana functions as a network of 5 distinct vital energies governing the body's involuntary systems. This model illustrates the koshas, 5 layers of the human body where this energy operates, from the physical material to the transcendental. Specific physical zones are governed by the 5 primary pranas: prana in the chest, apana in the lower abdomen, samana in the digestive center, uddiyana in the throat, and vyana throughout the limbs. This energy map shows the nadis, or internal channels, intersecting along the spine to form chakras, the body's internal energy vortexes. Viewed through this anatomical lens, pranayama becomes a tool for managing the human nervous and endocrine systems. A moment of wonder. The catalyst for cellular repair originates in the intentional, suspended pause between the inhalation and exhalation, a practice called Kumbhaka. Classical texts like the Hatha Yoga Pradipika codified 8 distinct methods of this breath retention to achieve specific physiological effects. Retaining the breath causes a controlled increase in carbon dioxide levels, triggering a physiological response where hemoglobin more readily releases oxygen into tissues. This increased availability shifts the nervous system out of survival mode, allowing for the repair of damaged cellular structures. This state leads to a decline in stress hormones and the release of what ancient texts call amrita, a chemical shift that slows the metabolic markers of biological aging. Kumbhaka uses a controlled oxygen drop to prompt systemic physiological rejuvenation. Forcing the breath creates tension that negates the biological benefit. True practice requires the elimination of physical strain and ego. Advanced practitioners may enter Kevali Kumbhaka, a state where the breath spontaneously suspends itself without conscious effort. The breath contains a cosmic mantra. The inhalation is sa, the arrival of energy, and the exhalation is ham, the release of consciousness. The unforced void between these 2 states is considered the home of the Dasha Mahavidya, the 10 great cosmic wisdoms. Entering this spontaneous pause immediately stops the endless stream of psychological chatter, creating a profound period of mental stillness. Finding the silent pause within these 21,600 daily cycles provides a mechanism to slow metabolic wear and repair cellular damage, acting as a biological bridge to the union of Shiva and Shakti.